Welcome once again, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate title ideas for these stories you will be creating. And for this, we are going to be using the chat GPT. So like I mentioned in the introductory video, you can decide to use the website or download the app. There's ChatGPT app on Play Store and you can use the website. So I choose to use the website because it's more convenient for me. So if you download it, you are going to be required to sign in. And if you did not download it and you go to the website, you are going to be required to sign in also. So sign in with your Google account. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to tap on the chat GPT here, or you can type it in your browser, chat.openai.com. So it's going to load out ChatGPT for you. So let's just wait so that it will load out the interface for me. Okay, so it has just loaded out the interface for me. You can do this thing on your laptop, that's your PC, or on your phone. So I'm using my phone right now. If you are using your PC, it's also going to bring you to an interface like this after you sign in. So you are going to paste this particular prompt right here. Then let me explain what you might need to change there. So I said, help me generate 10 African folklore title ideas, or let's say folk tales title ideas suitable for 10-year-old in very simple and easy to understand English. Don't forget that, in very simple and easy to understand English. You don't want complicated like unleash, blah blah blah, and so on. So be sure to specify that in very simple and easy to understand English. If you don't want it to be for 10-year-old, let's say maybe it's adult stories, then you can specify the age limit you want right here. Then if it's also for if you want, let's say 20 ideas or 50 ideas, you can specify it right here. So I'm okay with the one I type right now. Then I'm going to tap on this sign here, this send sign here, so that it's going to send it to the AI to help me. So I'm going to send this right now and let's see. Okay, can you see it? The clever tortoise and the mischievous monkey, the brave little elephant stepped the water hole, Anansi and the talking drum. Okay, if you notice, these stories right now is about animals. So I can just decide to say, let the tales be about humans. Okay, now this is it. The boy who outsmarted the river spirits. Can you see? Wow, I love this. It's going to be a very, very catchy title. This is how you can generate title ideas. And if you are okay with what it has generated, just tap on this box right here that looks like the save button. Tap on it and it's going to save to your clipboard. Then you can go and paste it in your WPS Office or your Microsoft Editor or your Google Docs. So I have a color note that I use. I can just say titles. I can just come here and say titles. Then I'll paste it here. Let me paste the other one. Let me copy and paste the other one also. I'll copy it, then I paste it here. Then I can select from any of these and use it to create a story for your faceless YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification. You don't want to miss out on my next videos. So see you in the next video.